Guys. Okay, guys. So today we're going to teach how to a random recipe. Warning: this recipe you can try it in real life, but I think it won't work. Okay, maybe it won't work. So that is why buying some honey. You just get them. Oh, they don't have the honey. I need the honey to make this. Oh well, let's just make a video. Okay, how to make popsicle in the wild? First, get honey or this sorrowless liquid somehow glowing. Then it's a sticker from the wild egg. Clean it. Then got out the chocolate. Then you just get a little bit of honey. Like this. Then you the, the honey you see the stick will have the honey on it. Also warning, the honey must be through the stick. The stick must be through the honey. So could be Then because the honey could melt, put it in the freezer that you buy. You just then put it in the freezer. When it goes in the freezer, wait for 1 day or two like that. And now you have your own popsicle. I don't know if this recipe works, so could not work in real life. Oh my god! Ang stiko! With popsicle! Ano? Sarap! Oh, enjoy your popsicle for 0 pesos. Just fix in your house. Well, in your house, you do it. See ya. Thank you for guys for watching the animation. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching and bye. Peace.